What is going on today? What is going on today? Hey, hey, hey. Am I live? Am I live? Can you hear me now? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Oh, it's a great day. It's a great day. Feeling a little spiffy. Got all my Memphis Tiger gear on. Getting ready to take on the UAB Blazers today for the American Championship at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. Oh, I'm so ready for it. I am so ready for it. Ready to hopefully smash some some Blazers. Wearing my blazer so we can smash some Blazers. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? How you doing? Oh, looks like you're doing well. Trade intuition first to the bingo win a bango. What's going on, my guy? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having an amazing weekend. Same to you, Dylan VA. What is going on? Smash that like. Thank you, Dylan. Yes, please smash the likes. Smash the likes. Very much so. YouTube chat's looking kind of funky. What's going on over here? Let me see if I can get this situated. Doing everything all properly here. All right. Chat delay. No. Don't want to delay. I want you guys to keep on popping up here. Oh, okay. Now, why do I need to turn it off and turn it back on? Turn it off and then turn back on. Why is the chat not working? It's all right, guys. It's all right. Hope you're doing well. Alexandra G unit in the chat as well. What's going on? We're going to be doing, chess, charts, and chill just like we did that last time. Let's turn myself up a little bit. Whoa. Just a little bit. There we go. All right, we got a little bit of a liquidity sweep here on the Bitcoin chart. Got a little bit of a liquidity sweepoza. I can't figure out how to get the for this display over here that you're seeing right now, because right now it's just showing this this YouTube stream for music that I'm going to be playing in a second. I can't get it to just do the chess, just the chess. Like, even when I'm not on the screen, just the chess. Maybe if I separate the windows, maybe that's what I got to do. Maybe that's what I got to do. All right. So, got a little bit of a liquidity sweep here, as I would have expected, given that we had all of these highs just sitting up here, just flat as can be, came up into it, and have since rejected from it. Little bit of a liquidity grab. We'll see if it was to help us push lower or not, but or if we have higher to go. But as of right now, I would be very cautious. It is still Sunday. It is the weekend. Of course, it's probably low volume going on in here. We had a little nice volume spike compared to this whole range that we've been in. All right. A little bit of a volume spike. So people getting a little active here. We got some traders getting a little active. Let's go ahead and let's see. Let's get my chest pulled up. Let's get the music going. Let's tell me if it's too loud or not. I need to know. It's just going to be some hype stuff. We're just going to be hype. We're going to do some charts. I'm going to do some chess. We're going to play some chess, and we're going to do some charts. All right. I don't see it. What happened to it? Yeah. Trying to figure this out real quick. Just give me one sec. All right. I don't hear music. Does anyone else hear music? Do I need to turn it up? All right, let's go. I might not be able to do the music. It's got me a little all out of sorts. Oh, oh, oh. All right, all right, all right, all right. First move. All right, let's go. Let's go. We're black. We're playing black, so we got to be defensive. All right. Got to be defensive. He's attacking my pawn here, so I'm going to go over here and try to help my pawn out a little bit. What are you guys saying in the chat? I need to move this over so I can see what is going on. There we go. Where's the chat? Bring out the chat. Bring out the chat. Oh, man. All right. There we go. I can't see my people. I need my chat, please. Streamlabs being funky. I saw a question. Zombie, zombie. Okay, so y'all do hear the music. All right. Top chat, I need to change this to live chat. What's my opponent doing? All right, let's see. We've got, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and do another little mirror move here. We are on the defense, so I don't hear the music. The people that hear music, are you listening with headphones? I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that. All right, let's see. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and castle. There we go. Bitcoin's just I mean, it's got a little pullback going on here. Let's see. Let's pull a fib on this real quick. We're going to go from the low to the high. Oh, nice straight pullback right down to the 786. Excellent, excellent. All right, so we've got our king castle. Let's go ahead and just move a pawn up. Let's see, question, how many monitors do you use? What would you recommend for new traders versus seasoned traders? Well, if you're just trading and you're not streaming, one monitor is enough. No headphones here, but can't hear the music anymore. Yeah, I turned the music off because it's a little, is too much. There's too much in my head. I've got to figure out, I've got to get some speakers. I've got to set some speakers up so that I can just listen, have the music playing and like you guys can hear it, but not have it in my headphones so that it's not like completely just throwing me off, throwing me for a I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm going to move the bishop over. Got him guarded by the pawn. See what he does. All right, moves the horse. So he's going to try and come either here or here or try to take this horse, but I got that horse protected. If he comes here, I've got that pawn protected with my queen. So not really worried about this horse at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and tickle his little horse over here, see what he wants to do with that. Yeah, I got the music off. Yesterday and today's video, a great man. Thank you, FOMO Sapien. Oh, I got checked. I got put in check. Yep, I told you I was guarding this one. Bye-bye. See you later. Adios, amigo. You traded a horse for a horse. All right, so that's an even trade. It's fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. All right, what's going on with the charts? Let's see. We've got the big spike in volume. Volume has since fallen off. And, yeah, let's see. See if we've got anything else going on. Let me do the music again. Let's try to do this. I might have to just turn it down in my headphones for myself, but hopefully you all can hear it just fine. A 7-nation army couldn't hold me back. All right, let's go back over to the chess. Actually, I'm going to do this. I'm going to shrink you. And now it should only stay on the chess part. All right, so yeah, I figured he would do that. Let's move you down here. Bitcoin, can we get a push? Can we get a push? Let's go. All right, we are in the quote-unquote New York session. Even though it is the weekend, the rules can still apply. Let's see here. Do we want to... What do we want to do? What do we want to do? I want to... I'm going to move my bishop down here, threaten his pawn over here. Hola, Welsh Jesse. What's going on, Welsh Jesse? Hope you're doing well. Charts. Chess, charts, and chill. I'm going to fight them off. We're just hanging out, playing some chess, looking at the charts. Is there anything you guys would like for me to go over, take a look at? I'd be more than happy to. Just let me know. All right, if I go here, then his rook's going to get me. And I have nothing to attack him with. So I'll just move this back over here. He can't get me. Well, he can get me with the queen. He's probably about to get me with the queen. Oh, well. Gotta head out to family brunch, LBC. See you tonight. Mad love. Mad love. Alexandra G. Have fun. Have a good time with the family. Enjoy your brunch. I'm sure it'll be amazing. Get a BLT for me, all right? But without the lettuce and tomato. Yep, took with the queen, as I expected. Let's see. I'm not playing a great game right now, to be honest. So, let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can turn this in our favor. All right, I'm gonna push pawn. How's the music? Is it too loud? Too light? Let me know. Yep, saw that. See, I wonder if my stuff lags because either because of my internet or if it's because of my computer. I really think it's because of my computer. It's just an older computer, so I really think it's the older computer problem. Let's pull a fixed range volume profile on here. Just for this range here, see what we've got going on. All right. Horsey. All right, so what's he trying to do? He's trying to go here. Maybe. If he moves... He can't move his queen here. I got him blocked off. I've got to do something to threaten him. Oh, I'm about to fork his rooks here. I'm about to take one of his rooks. So I just forked his rooks, so now he's got to decide which one he wants to save. Doesn't really matter. I'm taking one of them. Probably, unless he puts me in check. Which I doubt. To say hello. Oh, yep, there he goes. Put me in check. Figured. So now I've got... Oh, man. It's not a good position to be in right now. So if I come up here... He can just slide over or slide down. Let's go hide. Let's go in the corner and hide. Let's see what happens. He's going to come down and take that. It's fine. Or use his bishop. It's alright. Just going to move that over. Come down. No, I can't do that because then I'll just take him with the king. Alright, so he does take. He's got an out here, so even if I take his rook, his king can still slip out. Let's take a zoom out on the Bitcoin. So, actually, let's... No, yeah, let's zoom out on the Bitcoin. Let's remove volume here. Let's get rid of all the drawings. Look at that liquidity sweep. Are we going to come down lower? So he moves over here to protect his rook with the bishop, but I'm going to take the bishop. Daily, still not looking very good on the Bitcoin. Oh, it's not the oscillator that I want. I don't know what you're planning on doing with this, but I'm going to move. So here's my plan. I'm going to go with the rook here. Try and put him in check, maybe. Let's see what he does. With Bitcoin, I mean, we can see we're just clearly in a downtrend. Need to get back above the downtrend. Check. Oh, I did not see that. Problem with charting and chessing at the same time. Oh no. Thought I was in a good spot there. Dang. Alright, I'm going to move my king. I want to threaten his bishop. He's got nothing to help save it. But he'll move the queen over here to help protect it. But then I'll just put him in check again. So we need Bitcoin to get above the resistance. We also are below support here. So we've gotten rejected off of that. So really need to see where is my brush? I don't know. Are you sick? Trade intuition? I don't know what that means. W pattern out. And then hopefully move to the upside. It's kind of what I want to see. Dang. Dang, 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 dang. Happy Sunday, Melissa. What's going on, One Love? Hope you're doing well. Oh, man. All right, I've got to figure something out here. I'm just going to take this pawn. All right, Bitcoin. Let's see. What are we going to do? Let's pull a fixed range volume profile. Let's just take this range up here, up top. See where we got a point of control up here at about 96,862 $. Not sick, just happy to be here and hanging out with family. Love you guys and gals. Mad love to you, Trade Intuition. You thought you could sneak a live in, huh? Well, I caught you. What's going on, Tamale? Hope you're doing well. Yep, sneaking a live in for sure. Uh-oh. Running out of time. Running out of time. All right, I see what you're doing here. I see what you're doing here. Yeah, I've only got a minute and a half left. This is not good. It's not good. I'm definitely going to lose this one. All right, just put me in check. It's going to come down. No, he can't do that. Well, no, he can't. What are we doing here? Don't forget, ask questions. Doesn't have to be chess related. It can be if you want. Hoping for a W pattern. So I did notice something earlier, and that was I shared this in the Alex O Crypto Discord and the Piper Academy Discord. Let's go to ETH, and that was this SMT divergence here between Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, put me in check. Not checkmate. It's about to be checkmate. If he goes here, it's checkmate. Drop it down. Drop it down. Drop it down. Come on. Hurry up and end the game. Oh, you can do that too. All right. 0 for 1. 0 for 1. Habits lead to night. All right, so before we start the next game, let's go ahead and go over SMT divergence. So SMT divergence is when two highly correlated assets diverge in their price action. So Ethereum and Bitcoin are highly correlated assets, of course, but when they diverge even on the lower time frames, but especially on the higher time frames, you tend to get moves out of that. So, oh, come on. Act right. So, this is a way to spot divergences without using any kind of oscillator, any kind of indicator, anything like that. This is purely based off of price action. So, what we have here is we have Bitcoin creating a higher high, and these are marked at these same levels, okay? These are the same highs. Bitcoin creates a higher high, but Ethereum does not. Ethereum is flat. Sometimes Ethereum would be creating a lower high. Okay, what that means is this is SMT bearish divergence. It is a divergence on the price action, on the swing points of two highly correlated assets. Bearish divergence, there it is right there. You get the push down. You get the push down. Okay? So don't even need an indicator to spot divergences. You could just use two highly correlated assets and their price action to spot divergences. We also are potentially putting in a bullish SMT divergence with Bitcoin putting in a higher low and Ethereum putting in a lower low. That is a bullish SMT divergence, potentially. Now the question will be that if we do get a bounce, how high will it go and will it be able to sustain itself? Maybe, maybe not. Only time will tell. If we do get a bounce, is it just going to be a dead cat bounce? Are we going to come up into resistance on the Bitcoin chart? We get a little push up. and then we just reject and move further down? Or are we going to come up, break that support that is trying to turn into resistance and bring it back into support and then continue higher? That's going to be the $100,000 question. Now, looking at a liquidity heat map, we do have about 500 million, if not more, in liquidity, sitting at about the $100,000 mark for Bitcoin. So reaching back up to the $100,000 level would not be surprising to me at all. It would also take care of some equal highs up here as well. So let's go ahead and drop back down. What with Trump unapologetically trying to crash the economy, how is BTC expected to push to 95K? Albeit that is the max pain price. Would the Fed slash rates in an attempt to front run? So I don't know that Trump is purposefully trying to crash the economy, but I do think that he's letting it happen. But with all the tariff stuff and stuff like that, it does kind of make it seem like he's purposefully trying to crash the economy. So, yeah, I'm not sure, to be honest with you. How's BTC expected to push to 95K? Well, the thing is institutions have the money, man. Like, they're the ones that can push the price, and retail will just jump in late. That's how it usually goes. But if you guys can give me just 30 seconds, I'll be right back. I really have to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. I'll turn the music up a tad, and yeah, one sec.
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Probably why I gotta buy it on a set like this. Like it, love it, need it, bad. Take it, own it, steal it, fast. Boy, stop playing, grab my ass. We can dance all day around it. If you frontin', I'll be bouncing. If you want it, scream it, shout it, baby.
All right. All right. My bad. Oh man. All right. So, anything else? So, how are we expected to push to? Sorry. 95K. I mean, that's a good question because, I mean, with the macro environment being what it is, very tight. Let me turn the music back down. Very tight liquidity conditions aren't very favorable. My thing is that the stock market has sold off $5.5 trillion, something like that, over the last 30 days. So prior to Friday, where it added back a $1 trillion back to the stock market. But my question is, where is that money? Where did that $5.5 trillion go? Fun little fact. It only takes about 50 billion to $200 billion to push the market cap of Bitcoin up by $1 trillion. That's all it really takes to push the market cap up, because all it takes is for someone to buy a Bitcoin for $98,000, and that's like going to be like the price that Bitcoin is at. The last price that somebody bought a whole Bitcoin for, that's what the price is going to be. So, but if there's now $4.5 trillion just sitting out there somewhere, where is it going to go? And if only 50 to $200 billion needs to go into Bitcoin in order for it to push the market cap up by $1 trillion, then where would that put Bitcoin? That would put Bitcoin, if we added $1 trillion to it, that would put Bitcoin above $150,000. Okay? Because all your market cap is your circulating supply times the price. That's all it is. And if somebody spends $20 billion but buys, or $50 billion but buys the Bitcoin, that $50 billion worth at $100,000, then that's what the price of Bitcoin is going to be. So you're not actually, but the market cap is going to increase way more than just the $50 billion. That's what the market cap's a little tricky that way. We can take a look at the market cap. We're sitting at 1.66 trillion. At the very top here, we were at 2.15 trillion. And that's at about, or $2.17 trillion. And that was what? $108,000-$9,000. So if we added $1 trillion to our current market cap, that would be $2.66 trillion. So that would be all the way up here. And we could just do a quick little fib. We can do this. We can do a fib. Let's just say 2.58 trillion. I mean, it perfectly gets us up to the 1.618. Interesting. Well, let's go over to the Bitcoin price. If we were to pull a fib, and this is just hopium. I just want to make that clear. This is all hopium. If we were to do the exact same thing, just go to the 1.618, that would be $129,000 Bitcoin. So it doesn't take a lot to push a market, especially when there's limited supply of Bitcoin. Now, with the macro conditions being what they are, we still want to urge caution. I still want to urge caution. Be cautiously optimistic. But, we can be optimistic. It's okay to be optimistic, but just don't FOMO at the lows. Okay? Let Bitcoin prove itself. We want to see some more daily closes above some previous highs. We still haven't. Let's see. This high right here. We did finally get a close above this high right here. Okay. Can we get a daily close above 86,537? We need to start closing new highs. And like compared to these, so if let's put it on like a bar chart so we can see this a little better. Where are the bars? Hello? Oh, here we go. Range. The range chart. No. That's not what I'm looking for. What's it called? That's bar style, but that's not exactly what I'm looking for. Why can't I think of it? Volume candle. It's got to be the bars chart, but why is it? Let's go 5000 R. So with the bars chart, I mean, all this does, I think maybe if I go to the standard candles, double click. No, I think it's got to be this 5000R maybe. So what this does is, I need to change the colors on these so we can, up bars are going to be green, down bars are going to be red. There we go. All right, so your line on the left, that's where the bar, the candle, also known as a candle, that's where it opened. Then you have the bar, and then you have the right side, that's where the candle closed. So what we haven't seen, so here's a high. Okay, so we have gotten some closes. This isn't like a daily chart though. How do I do the range bars? Why can't I think of it? Trade intuition. I know you've got to know this, right? What am I missing? Oh well, doesn't really matter. We can see on the candles too. So we just need closes above previous highs. Let's go ahead and just mark this off right here. Let's go magnet here. I want to see a close above that, a daily close above that candle right there. Let's go right here. All right, so we finally got a daily candle close above a previous candle's high of the day. So you can see all of these candles were moving to the downside, but we were not closing the candles. What is the question again? I'm trying to do just like a bars style without it being the range. It's not columns, is it? Is it high low? No. It's not the range. Line break. I don't know. I don't know. But we finally did get a daily close above a previous high over here. And yeah, that was yesterday. It is the weekend, so a little tricky. What do we have coming up for today? I mean, we'll go over a bunch of the macro stuff tonight on Markets After Dark. So just be ready for that. And, oh, where did my camera go? Hello? Oh, there we go. Not understanding. Bar style for the candles. Sorry. I need it to look like this, except not be the range candles. I just want these types of bars, but it not be 5000R. I wonder if it's in the settings of this. Ah, candles. No. Bars. Phantom bars. Projection bars. Thin bars. Precision. See, this is only this does like a range, 5000R. I don't want it to be a range. I just want it to be like this candle is a daily candle, right? Or this bar is a daily bar. That's what I want it to be. I want it to be like this, but I don't want it to be the range. I want it to be the bar. Color bars based on previous close, default. I thought I used to be able to do it, but I guess not. I guess it's got to be these 5000R and stuff. Doesn't make sense to me. High low? Nope. HLC area. These are crazy little little things in here. Line with markers. No idea. Sorry. It's all good, man. Hollow candles, bars. Wait. Bars? Hey, I found it. There we go. All right. All right, let's remove some drawings on here. All right, so this is old school. Way back in the day, this is how people used to trade, okay? They did before candlesticks, you had the bars. On the left side, you had the open, then you had the body, and then on the right side, you had the close. These are your old school candles. Hello, everyone. What up, Uncle Jesse? Now, something that I, do want to point out is that we have been putting in, or we did come down to the 50% retracement. Let's go ahead and change this to my premium and discount fibs. So 50% retracement there. That's good. Prior to this move up, if we go from the low down here to the top up here, this was also a 50% tracement before we move to the upside. Go from this low to this high. 50% retracement. Go from this low to this high. 50% retracement. So we've been doing 50% retracements all the way to the upside. So that doesn't mean that we're going to continue moving to the upside, just to be clear. It's just interesting. Still haven't broken. In fact, we are holding our trend here. Everybody understands candles better, so there we go. So we're still holding our macro trend, so that is good. We're still holding the macro trend. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you are new, and if you enjoy this content. Let's go ahead and start a new chess game. I'm itching. New game. I had 2 blunders in that game. Not good. We don't want the blunders. All right. We are white this time. I'm going to try a pawn push game. Let's see what we can do with just a pawn push game. Pawn push game just means I'm just going to push my pawns. It's actually not the best thing to do, but... Oh, I screwed that up. Stupid lag. I meant to threaten the horse. It'll be alright. So yeah, still following trend for Bitcoin. Now, if we break this trend, then obviously we're going to probably have to get super bearish, all right? And we still have potential to come down here. But we also are holding above the high that we broke out from. So just from a pure TA standpoint or price action standpoint, I think we're looking. We're still holding trend. So I personally wouldn't be getting super bearish just yet. Not that it's not okay to be bearish right now, which of course I would say being risk off right now isn't the worst thing in the world. Take a look at the Russell. Let's see what the Russell's doing. Last week came down. Did we sweep a low or did we create? All right, so this is a problem for me. We've created some equal lows. I don't like that. You just put me in check, bro? Now I have to move one of my main pieces. So this is a problem here for the Russell putting in these equal lows. Equal lows like to get swept, so we could come down and sweep these before we possibly return to the upside. Or I'd see a fair value gap in here on the weekly chart. So we could see start the week off coming into the fair value gap and then pushing lower to sweep this liquidity. Either that or we sweep the liquidity and then we use that fair value gap to push us higher. And I can see that. Well, let's get rid of magnet. So this is going to be a resistance area because we could tell that, we had some bounces up here. Nice little bit of a head and shoulders. We fall through, create the equal lows, sweep the equal lows, come back up to bearishly retest, and then potentially roll back down over here. Risk off environment, guys. Risk off environment. Unfortunately. Or fortunately, depending on how you view things. Good day, crypto family. Good day, crypto princess. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Good day. Good day. Good day, crypto princess. Good day, mate. I know you're not Australian. All right, I'm going to move this horse here, see if he takes, and then I'll take him with my queen and threaten his rook at the same time. I'd love to play you guys. If you guys ever go to chess.com, you can find me and challenge me. I am Lunar Beaches on chess.com. I was at a 460 something ELO as they call it. This is your global ranking, which is typical beginner status. But man, I have not been playing well lately. But that's okay. That's okay. I've kind of been going through some things if you didn't know. But everything's good now. What's our Bitcoin dominance doing? Our Bitcoin dominance looks like it's wanting to push higher. We are sitting at a 61.91% dominance. All right, so let's put the all right, he's threatening my rook with his bishop over here. So I'm going to threaten his king. Yeah, I'm going to put him in check. I'm going to put you in check, bro. Put you in place. Don't you threaten my rook. How dare you? How dare you? Now I'm going to move my bishop up. Depending on what he does. Ooh. All right, so he moves his horsey in the way. I'm going to move my bishop. See what he does. I don't know what flag this is. Where are you from, mate? Wait, he's trying to protect his bishop. It's fine. All right, I'm going to swap out I'm going to do a castle here so I can get my rook more towards the center of the board. Oh, you come down, threaten my horse? Trying to threaten my horse, bro? Let's threaten your queen. How about that? He's probably gonna take with the bishop, maybe, or he'll take with the horse. Either way, I've got protection here. I've got 3 different things protecting my horse right here. I've got the pawn, the queen, and the bishop all protecting this square. So, all right. So he castles. Big mistake. Should have moved your queen, dog. Take your queen, and now you don't even have any way to get my horse. Big mistake. And he resigned. Yep. Woo! That's a win. Won that one. Feel free to drop the link to your live streams in my Discord. We have a community live streams channel. Bet. Will do. Will do. Crypto princess. I appreciate that. Oh. Ooh, I had one blunder. I wonder what that was. But I won, so all good in the hood. $12.54. It's almost time to end the stream. Maybe. I don't know. We can keep going. If there's anything you guys would like for me to look at, please, or if you got any questions, please put them in the chat. Is Tesla gonna bounce back or what? Just getting that back test after a breakout. But it looks ugly. But if we just take this right here, we can see we came back and perfectly back tested the breakout of this downtrend. So we'll see if Tesla has the juice, but this looks kind of like a finishing move in here. Swing fail pattern. God bless you, Joe, for saying that one time depressed shift when you're using the trend line. Now all my trend lines are straight, man. So straight. Absolutely love it. I did not know that that was a thing. Using TradingView for 4 years and never knew that was a thing. I challenge you to a chess match. I'm rusty. I haven't played for a while. But, hey. Like I said, you can go to chess.com. Find me on here. I'm Lunar Beaches. Pretty sure you can just challenge people on here. So, create you an account and challenge me in a chess match. I'd absolutely love it. We can even do it live if you want. LOL. The shift key is amazing. It is. It is. One sec. I'm going to change my name back to Jesse without Uncle. I figured that's... Yeah. I provide a lot of tips and tricks. Yeah, Trade Intuition does provide a lot of tips and tricks. It's just something I is there a... There's got to be. Can I... Let's go to the settings. What the... That's not what I wanted. Settings. Why is it doing the ICT? Settings. Here we go. Is there a It's probably going to be in the settings over here, isn't it? App settings, maybe? App settings. Service, video, tabs, about, video and audio, tabs, service. No. Is there a, Joe, is there somewhere in TradingView that shows you what all the hotkeys are? Help Center, maybe? Chat Assistant, Knowledge Base. What's new? Looks like I got a lot of stuff to look at. Jesse, feel free to add Prince to the name. Crypto Prince. Jesse. Prince Jesse. Yes. All right. So where is it? Lower. Lower. Lower where? Lower in here? Oh, keyboard shortcuts. Okay, there we go. Chart. Open indicators. Load chart. Hold on, let me close this so you guys can see this. There we go. I'm going to go off screen here myself real quick so you can see this. All right, so we came over here, we clicked on our little icon, and we come down to keyboard shortcuts. Imagine that. Switch between sessions, save chart layout, Control S, load chart, zoom in, Control up. Yeah, I know that one. Move chart left, right, Shift plus mouse. Oh, focused zoom, Control mouse wheel, focused zoom. So if I press Control, oh, okay. Replay, step forward, move further, undo, redo. I need to know that one. Control Y. Okay. Can you change these, or is these just set? It might be set. Switching between charts and multi-charts layout. What does that mean? Switching between charts. I'll have to figure that out. Toggle max, add alert, Alt A. Okay. Go to date, Alt G, add text note for symbol, save chart image. Enable, disable logarithmic series scale, invert series scale, Alt I. Okay. Reset layout grid, double click, adjust multiple charts edges, shift drag. Okay. Cool. Indicators and drawings. There we go. Measure tool. Scan box fix increments. Partially erase. Control plus eraser. What is the eraser? Oh, I guess the eraser tool. Draw with demonstration cursor. Hold Alt plus draw. It didn't do anything. I don't understand. Alt. Draw. Where's the tracer? What am I missing? Control. No. Oh, wow. Control automatically puts you on the magnet? That's cool. That's some neat stuff, man. I like to stream. LBC is so relaxed. Yeah. I am today. I'm pretty relaxed today. It's a good day. Dixie continues to struggle as well. Why is the Dixie struggling, but so are all our coins? What is this? What is all this red? Oh man. I don't understand. There's so much stuff going on. Piper says look at the 10-year yields. He's not in here, but that's what he always says. 10-year yields. Still, we need the yield to come down because that means people are buying bonds. But right now, it's not the case. It's not what's going on. Manipulation. There's always manipulation, my friend. It's always manipulation. But manipulation makes it sound like there's nefarious things going on. Maybe there are, but are we trying to get another breakout here in bonds? They're going to go higher, more sell-off in the bonds? Gosh, I hope not. I mean, that'd be great considering where I got my house when we were down in here. Okay. So my interest rate is pretty okay compared to where we are now, but not the best either. Manipulation. Have you guys ever heard of the power of 3? Let's see if we can let's take a look at let's just do Bitcoin. Let's just do Bitcoin. Coinbase, doesn't really matter which chart. Smaller time frames. Sleep Token got a new song out, by the way. They want to take all the liquidity, in my opinion. Who is they? The market makers just go where the liquidity resides. Actually, they provide liquidity to the market. But they have to in order to move the price to where the buyers and sellers are. So you got to have the market makers. So a power of 3 scenario, like what we would want to see, is like this. So power of 3 is when you get consolidation. Okay, you get your consolidation. Then you get your manipulation. And then you get your distribution. That's a power of 3 move. See if I can find an example. And you can get a power of 3 to the downside as well. And you tend to get see these on smaller time frames, so that's what I want. Yeah, that's what we all want, brother. consolidation, the quick move down, manipulation, and then you get the push to the upside to take out the high. Something like that. It's not as straightforward. This has been a really choppy, messy, freaking price action, man. In case you guys didn't know, it's been a wild, wild bull market. It's because the institutions have gotten involved more so than ever. But I think the main thing, guys, is just really just getting back above the obvious support resistance level. And holding it, not just sweeping it. So, got to get back above that. Hopefully, we can turn this into a W reversal. Take a look at an indicator or two. Let's just look at our standard relative strength index. Do I not have it saved on here? RSI. Why don't I have it? All right. Standard RSI. We want to go to a higher time frame. Now we do on the 4 hour. We have created a bullish divergence here on the 4 hour. Lower low here, higher low here, bullish divergence. Is that going to be enough to push us higher? I don't know. We are back above the 50 on the RSI, so that's good. Let's go to the daily. Bullish divergence on the daily too. So I think we could at least get up to the back up into this zone. The question is, can we break through it? On the daily, we are below the 50. So that is bearish. Now these do, your RSI does, it goes by closes, candle closes. So you've got to make sure that the wicks don't count. Wicks don't count. We got to go by the closes. That says that we should go higher from here. But we're also below the 50, so that is a little tricky. And we turn on our SMA, 100-day SMA. Is this... I do have this on 100, right? Oh, 200-day SMA. And we are actually fighting that right now. Let's go down to the hourly, take a look. So if we just kind of just draw out this, that is what we're fighting. See, that's what we just swept, and we are fighting back above that 200 daily SMA. Hidden bullish divergence here on the 1 hour as well. So I'm seeing some bullish divergences coming into play. It's a hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish is when your price action puts in a higher low, but your oscillator puts in a lower low. What makes this bullish? Well, what makes this bullish is that price was able to hold even though momentum went lower. So that signals that we are potentially bullish. So, boom, 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 boom. All right. Since I am going live tonight, I'm going to go ahead and end this stream. I do appreciate each and every single last one of you. Oh, got to get ready for the game. It's almost game time, about 45 minutes. Let's go, Tigers, go. And, but yeah, I had fun with you guys today. Look forward to more streams over here on the Lunar Beaches Crypto channel. I'm trying to record more videos. Go and check out the 2 videos that I uploaded to yesterday and today. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you later tonight. Mad love, and thank you for joining and hitting that like button. Don't forget to share out with the family member and all that stuff. Friends, family, on X. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. Anyways, guys, hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you later tonight. I love you all. Have a good one. Peace.